Hey everybody, this is Squid's Mobile Repair. I just want to let you know something. If you have the INNOVVA 7111 tablet, the new update that came out in June, they finally put where you can use the camera. I'm going to show you how to get to it because there's no other videos I've found. The INNOVVA website doesn't show how to use it or anything. So this is how you do it. First, you want to make sure your vehicle is connected to the OBD2, so your scanner, everything comes up. Next, you're going to want to go to Workshop Tools. And if certain vehicles, you have that, or you have to click on go into your secure gateway. Now we just got to wait on this to load. By the way, this is my personal vehicle. It's a 2018 Ram 1500. So that is done there. Next, you're going to want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see vehicle inspection right there. Click on that. I accidentally double tapped. I'm going to go back and show you that again. So where it says digital vehicle report, click on that and wait for it to load. And over here, you'll see the service type, the components, comments. And then you'll see this little icon right there. That's your camera. So if you click on that, the camera will show up. You can either take a picture of it. Sorry, my hands are shaky. You can or you can do a video. Your video button's right there, or you want to take the photo, you can just click that. I'll take a video of it. Took a picture, image saved. Now, here's where it gets interesting. So once you get done with that, you took the picture, you'll go back. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now, save report. Okay? If you don't do that, the video won't save. Click on OK. Now to view, what you're going to have to do is go all the way back to the home screen. All right. And you're going to, if the scanner is disconnected from the vehicle, go click on previous vehicles. And then you'll see the digital vehicle report right here. You'll click on that. Then you'll see the picture right there. And then you click on that. So we'll click on that. And that's the picture you took. That is the only way to do it. Now, my personal preference would have been to have gone, if they would have put the camera either here on the home screen, or if they would have put up at the top a little camera icon. That would have been my preference. But hopefully this helps you out. Like I said, I couldn't find any information how to use it. And so I had to do the digging all myself. Couldn't find any videos or anything. Hope this helps.